Hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Madhav Thorve and today's date is 23 July 2022 and this is original and today's video topic is multi-threading in Java. First of all, multi-threading it is the most important part in Java, and multi-threading is a multi-threading means multi-threading is the process of multiple threads executing in simultaneously. Means the threads was execution of thread is a simultaneously means one by one thread is executing, or at a time, or multiple threads, or some threads are waiting for our requirement in the programmer also. And in the multi-threading concept, there are two ways to. In that concept, there are some concept is multitasking, and that multitasking is achieved in two ways. By multitasking in two ways achieved. One is a process-based multitasking, and one is a thread-based multitasking. Process-based multitasking, it is the process by which we process-based multitasking. It is the multiple process at the time of at a time multiple processors are executing in the our some systems also. And process-based multitasking is most of the time it is sometimes it is a actually in a some concept is control processing unit, and that process-based multitasking, it is the cost of communication is very high, and another is a and the process-based multitasking, that time in that case the thread circle is thread life is threads are executing in one by one. Means first thread is going on the execution, then another thread is waiting for the particular time. Means one thread is going in the execution, and that execution is completed. Then in that time, the execution first thread is execution completed, then another thread is going to the execution. Means in that concept, process-based concept, that in that case the some threads are waiting for the particular time, or of the before threads are execution. That time the another thread is waiting for the particular times. And another is a process. Another is a thread-based multitasking, means it is a multi-threading. And thread-based multitasking means it is a threads as a particular shared resource. Thread is a shared resource area, and in the thread-based multitasking, it is the multiple threads executing at simultaneously or at a time. And thread-based multitasking, it is a synchronized or some non-synchronized methods also. And the multi-threading, in that concept, the main theory is a thread. Thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. And threads, it is a separate path of execution. And threads are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it doesn't affect any other threads. Means for example, any one thread is also some errors or some mistakes also. In that time, another threads are not waiting for that execution of that thread. The another thread is execution at your own time. And another is in that multi-threading concept, there are some methods or some another concepts also, means synchronization, or non-synchronization, synchronized method, or some methods in that synchronization. Synchronization means synchronized method, static synchronization, or static synchronization, static synchronization, or synchronized block or synchronized methods also. And in the another concept is in intercommunication for the thread, means cooperation, and that time is some methods also, means wait, notify or notify all. And another is a process based multi-threading. That concept was not allowed in multi-threading in Java. And this is overall about the multi-threading concept, and thanks for this video.